Water is absolutely fundamental to our business. We use it in our processes, we use it as an ingredient, and in the products that we source from this country and around the world, particularly coming from some water-stressed areas. The water is absolutely vital. I think we've got used to water being a sort of limitless resource, and I think we're going to have to get used to the fact that it is probably more finite than we currently imagine it to be. A lot of the areas where we get our products from are water stressed, and you look at the south of Europe, Spain, France, bits of Greece, Italy, those are water stressed areas. They're big areas of growing lettuces and things like that for ourselves, so that's a risk. And in terms of abstraction, I think for those people who do abstract water, then the view that that is also free and limitless, I think that's something that we have to be aware of may change in future, and there will be limitations on the amount we can abstract. Well, I think we are signed up to the FDF commitment to reduce by 20% our water usage by 2020. So I think the fact that you are sort of acknowledging there's an issue, starting to measure the activity that you're doing, how much water you're using, building awareness. And some of those activities so far we've seen in our vegetable business, water reduction of 70% in one particular area of the operation because we've been measuring it, we built awareness, and we've been able to put a sort of recycling project in there. So all that is reducing our dependence on abstraction and also doing a great job for the environment. The benefits of a company acting early are that they understand the risk that's out there in terms of water and the impact that may have on their business. It's about building resilient supply chains. If you are sourcing products from an area that's water stressed, understanding that that's going to be an issue in the future is pretty critical. It's also about doing the right thing, quite honestly. So, it's incumbent upon every business to minimise their use of resources, and minimising our use of water in a time of stress and shortage is a reputationally sound thing to do. If you are thinking about this issue, then I think a very good place to start is the FDF Every Last Drop campaign. And if you get the leaflet, there are some great pointers. They've really helped us, the William Jackson Food Group, and just in terms of some of the advice that you get, some of the pointers it leads you to take action on. And I would urge members, non-members, and anyone with an interest in water and its impact on supply chains, food production, food processes, ingredients, to address the issue and have a look at the campaign.